I'm here with Kevin Sharp from Samsungbiologics. Kevin, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today. Could you please just introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, my name is Kevin Sharp. I am head of sales for Samsung Biologics America.
Thank you. So, Kevin, which of your services are most in demand for your plant floor customers right now?
So I would say in most demand right now would be our large-scale manufacturing capacity, which we are offering primarily in our Plant 4, as well as our recently announced Plant 5. We also are seeing continued interest in smaller to mid-sized scale as well, from 1,000, 5,000, and 10,000 liters. So we are seeing a breadth of interest across scales, but I would say definitely on the larger scale, we're seeing a lot more interest in the market for some high volume products that are experiencing either new launches or additional indications to the existing programs.
So what capacity will Plant 4 and 5 have, and what is the driving demand for this and these services?
So in the Plant 4, we do have two scales within the facility. We have the 10,000 liter, which we have 6 bioreactors for a total of 60,000 liters of manufacturing capacity. We also have 15,000 liter capacity in Plant 4 with 12 bioreactors for a total of 180,000 liters at the 15,000 liter scale. So a total of 240,000 liters of manufacturing capacity.
That's impressive.
In Plant 4, yes, it's quite a large facility. Our Plant 5 will continue with the 15,000 liter scale with another 12 bioreactors, so another 180,000 liters of manufacturing capacity. So both of those facilities, again, offering large scale manufacturing and again, really supporting our existing clients as well as some new clients with large scale commercial manufacturing, again, of products that are potentially launching with high volumes, high patient populations, but then also some existing programs that are experiencing additional indications that are really expanding the treatment areas for those programs.
So what are some of the biggest challenges biotechs face at the moment, and how can Samsung help them overcome these challenges?
So on the biotech side, we are seeing a lot of challenges in terms of product development and looking for timelines to come in into the clinic, as well as high costs associated with that. And what Samsung Biologics is able to offer is our full preclinical services and our development capabilities, which really allow a speed to market concept to bring those molecules quickly into phase 1, enter the clinic, and then be able to progress their way through the clinical CMC programs and ultimately and hopefully into commercial stage. Samsung Biologics is also investing more in an innovation center within our plant or our BioCampus 2 facilities that will be an open innovation center for promising biotechs and offering a space there for incubation activities as well. And thirdly, we do have the Samsung Life Science Fund, which we are investing in other biotechs globally, looking for new technologies and new promising biotechs that we see as potential growth areas for them and then also for Samsung Biologics.
So Kevin, can you give me an update on both Plant 5 and BioCampus 2?
Sure. So the BioCampus 2 was a plot of land that we acquired last year. It is just adjacent to our BioCampus 1 in Songdo, South Korea, and consists of 80 acres, which is 30% larger than a BioCampus 1. And what that will do is allow us to put 4 large-scale manufacturing facilities within our BioCampus 2. The first of those facilities is our plant number 5, and that will house 12 15,000 liter bioreactors for a total of 180,000 liters of manufacturing capacity. And the groundbreaking for that took place in March of this year, and that will be operational in April of 2025. So a 24-month period for construction in that facility, which is really groundbreaking in the industry in terms of bringing capacity to the market quickly.
So Will Plant 4 and 5 enable Samsung to offer new capabilities to its customers?
So the build out of the facilities again are additional large scale capacity for our clients. So we will be able to complement what we currently have from a scale perspective. What it will also do is allow for larger partnerships with some of our accounts where they can cross utilize our facilities with multiple products and also look to expand on an end-to-end service standpoint, starting with development capabilities, manufacturing, as well as drug product manufacturing. So it really opens up more avenues to grow a stronger partnership between Samsung Biologics and our clients.
So another question. How will these facilities serve your customers?
So really they're serving to provide products for patients in need is the ultimate endpoint. And what we're able to do again is bring that capacity to the market more quickly than others in the industry, which then enables our clients to bring those products to patients faster as well. So ultimately it is a speed to market model that again, we can bring the capacity, we can bring the services that'll transfer those products in faster to the facilities and get through the regulatory process so that they can ultimately be with the patients. And that's really the end goal for both us and our clients, exactly. And we want to do that as quickly as possible.
And lastly, are there any further plans for Samsung to expand its operations in South Korea or anywhere else across the world?
Right. Yeah. So in addition to the Biocampus 2, we are looking for further expansion in South Korea. So we are looking at some new modalities to expand our capabilities, primarily with antibody drug conjugates, which we plan to have available by the end of 2024. Beyond that, and outside of South Korea, we are continuing our evaluation of a facility outside of South Korea. Primarily, we are looking right now at the U.S. as a potential opportunity for that next facility. So we are currently looking at various options on how we could bring that to market quickly. So that will be ongoing and probably an opportunity for a future discussion once that is announced.
Well, thank you very much. I look forward to hearing and seeing how Samsung develops in the coming years. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. My pleasure.